Minnesota offers great possibility for the individuals and families who resettle here. Our industry, learning institutions, and communities provide a host of opportunities that create sustaining families who can thrive and become active community members. But many immigrants and refugees struggle to find homes, employment, and services when they arrive. Hello, I am Ishwaq Said, and I'm a program manager at the Somali Community Resettlement Services in Minneapolis, Minnesota. SCRS was formed in 1999 by a volunteer network of Somali refugees to directly respond to the needs of the newly arriving community to our state. For more than 20 years, we have assisted refugee individuals and families at all ages and stages of life to secure basic needs, resources to self-sufficiency, and to acclimate to a new way of life. Today, our programs and services extend to East Africans, including Ethiopians, Kenyans, Oromo, Somalis, Sudanese, Latinx populations from Mexico, Central and South America, and individuals and families from Afghanistan. Somali Community Resettlement Services has served over 14,000 individuals through our programs in public health, workforce development, and family stabilization. We partner with healthcare systems, local government, school districts, employers, faith houses, and community organizations to ensure equitable access to healthcare, education, and employment are available to all. Our vision is that all refugees and immigrants will thrive in an equitable world where they lead successful lives with personal responsibility, economic independence, and vitality. We believe everyone should feel welcomed and want to call Minnesota home. Thank you.